Hello, fellow anglers. Are you looking for the most reliable, precise, and easy-to-use fishing tools but don't know which one to choose? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the top 3 fishing rods on the market in 2025. We'll cover their features, pros, cons, and even customer reviews. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, we've got something for everyone. Let's dive in. Top 3. At number 3, we have the Zebco Roam telescopic fishing rod and spinning combo, priced at $42. This combo is perfect for beginners and on-the-go adventurers. It's lightweight, durable, and features a telescopic design that collapses to just 18.5 inches, making it super portable. Key features asterisk. Material asterisk, a blend of fiberglass and other materials for durability. Length asterisk extends to 6 feet but collapses to 18.5 inches for easy transport. Pre-spooled asterisk comes with 10-pound Zebco Cajun line, ready to use right out of the box. Comfort asterisk, comfort grip handle for all-day fishing comfort. Performance asterisk, all-metal gears and a 3.6 to 1 gear ratio for smooth casting and retrieval. Pros asterisk. Easy to use, especially for beginners. Compact and portable, perfect for travel. Comfortable grip for long fishing sessions. Trusted brand with a 1-year warranty. Cons asterisk. Some users find the handle ergonomics a bit tricky if you're used to spinning reels. Customer review asterisk. Asterisk, I love this telescopic rod. It's perfect for my backpack and the casting is super smooth. Asterisk. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, portable option, the Zebco Roam is a solid choice. Top 2. At number 2, we have the Placino Fishing Rod Full Kit, priced at $45. This kit is a dream for beginners, as it includes everything you need. 2 rods, 2 reels, fishing line, lures, hooks, and even a carrier bag. Key features asterisk. Material asterisk, carbon fiber, mixed with fiberglass for durability. Length asterisk, 5.91 feet. Telescopic design for portability. Kit includes asterisk, 2 rods, 2 reels, fishing line, lures, hooks, and a carrier bag. Performance asterisk, 5.2 to 1 gear ratio for smooth retrieval. Pros asterisk. Complete kit with all necessary accessories. Durable and lightweight carbon fiber construction. Great value for money. Perfect for beginners or as a gift. Cons asterisk. Some users report the telescopic sections can get stuck or break if forced. Customer review asterisk. Asterisk, this rod feels like a high-end product. It's lightweight, smooth, and perfect for travel. Asterisk. If you're a beginner or need a versatile kit, the Placino is a fantastic option. Top 1. Our top pick for 2025. The Sugalong Fishing Rod Combos, priced at $70. This premium combo is made with 100% carbon fiber, making it lightweight yet incredibly durable. It also comes with a carrier bag, lures, and all the necessary accessories. Key features asterisk. Material asterisk, 100% carbon fiber for strength and durability. Length asterisk, 1.8 meters, 5.91 feet. Telescopic design for portability. Reel asterisk, 13+1 corrosion-resistant ball bearings for ultra-smooth performance. Kit includes asterisk rod, reel, spare spool, lure set, fishing line, and carrier bag. Pros asterisk. High-quality carbon fiber construction. Ultra-smooth reel with a 5.5 to 1 gear ratio. Portable and lightweight. Perfect for travel. Comes with a 1-year warranty. Cons asterisk. A few users reported durability issues with the rod snapping under pressure. Customer review asterisk. Asterisk, this rod is a steal for the price. The build quality is incredible and it's so compact for travel. Asterisk. If you're looking for a high-quality, portable fishing combo, the Sugalong is our top recommendation. So, to recap, for portability and ease of use, go with the Zebco Roam. For beginners who want a complete kit, the Placino is your best bet. And for premium quality and performance, the Sugalong takes the crown. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and availability. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next comparison. Until next time, happy fishing!